Hi everyone, how are you? Uh, Now we are meeting another video about the our free course of the PVcase. If you are new on my channels, kindly subscribe to my channels. Till click the bell icons, and if you like the video, kindly share with your friends and families. If you have any issue, if you have any query, you can comment on that video. Wasting our time, we move on to the our fourth tutorial of the PV case. Our Today our topic is regarding how to do the fence on the install the fence, design the fence of the PV plant. First of all, I will draw the rectangular. It is basically REC command, draw the rectangular. Where we are using the fence, just draw that. Then move on to the shading object. You see that shading object available. From that options, we can do trees, stations, and fence. Here is the fence options. You can just click that options and give the width and height of the fence. Now it's about to your actual fence. As per my experience, we are using the 2.5 meter height and width is 0.25 meters. You can just click on the add object. They give us the option select fence polyline. So here I am selecting this options and just enter. The fence is already making that option. You can see that. Now, if you want to see in the 3D options, you just give the command OR, orbit command, and move that options like that. You can see that they give us the fence and the panel mountings at the tilt angles. This is very easy and very important uh, aspect of our solar projects. It's all about today. Uh, we will meet again in the next video regarding another interesting topic regarding the solar system designing on the PVK software. Thank you very much to watch our YouTube channels.